Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Dollar rupee is going to open higher, possibly around 75, 60, 65 on the Feb futures. क्योंकि जो टेंशन चल रहा है between West and Russia over Ukraine, उसके कारण oil prices are shooting up. Brent is close to $96 a barrel, highest level since September of 2014, more than a 7.5-year high. So just a negative impact is coming on the rupee. And there is the usual culprit of the Fed hawkishness, because jab tak ye March meeting is not coming, the anticipation is building up that the Fed is going to go for a 50 basis points hike in March. So ye do combination is a little, or I would say not just a little, significantly negative for the rupee. But abhi tak we haven't seen a very strong depreciation of the rupee, but rather a moderate amount of depreciation. Kyunki for two reasons. एक तो जो corporate flows है वो काफ़ी healthy है at times. FDI flows are also very strong. So that has supported the rupee from time to time. दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि if you look at the real interest rate differential जो इंडिया और अमेरिका के बीच और let's say Indian rupee और USD के बीच है, that is still negative, and historically it has been seen till the point it turns positive, that in favor of dollar, तब तक we don't see big bang depreciation in the Indian rupee. So इसके लिए it acts as a kind of a shield for the rupee as long as the real interest rate differential between the dollar and the rupee is favoring the Indian rupee, which is the case as of now. तो ये दो कारण की वजह से तो होता क्या है, उसके कारण the carry traders don't really abandon the currency. तो जब तक carry trades में panic नहीं आएगा to cover the shorts on the dollar, तब तक you will not see that swift upward momentum. So these are the reasons why moderate depreciation अभी तक देखने को मिला है. Since last week when it was trading around 74.90 kind of levels on the spot, we started to go long anticipating a breakout. We used options to do that. तो अभी you can, because the bias is still upward, जब तक 75-25 and especially 75 spot के ऊपर है, क्योंकि 75-25 और 75 सिर्फ टेक्निकली एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल नहीं है, क्योंकि प्रीवियसली इट वाज द अपर कैप ऑफ द रेंज विच वाज देयर फ्रॉम डिसम्बर टू जैन, बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑप्शन पोजिशनिंग, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस ओआई जो है वो काफ़ी हेविली बिल्डअप है बिटवीन 75 एंड 75-25 पुट ऑप्शंस. सो इवन ऑप्शन सेलर्स आर बेटिंग कि उसके नीचे डॉलर भी इमीडिएटली ट्रेड नहीं करेगा. सो 75 एंड 75-25 is a critical support zone for the bulls to keep the dollar rupee above, to ensure that the momentum and the trend is upward. Next major resistance 76-25-30 के पहले नहीं है, which was the early December high. I'm talking about spot levels. Now, how to play it? You can use call spreads or at the money call option buys to trade in the direction of the uptrend, or you can even sell out of money put options. अगर futures से trading करना है तो the problem is that volatility में your stops can get hit, so you have to have a bigger stop loss and a small position size to manage that. Apart from dollar rupee cross currency में भी focus किया जा सकता है this week, especially GBPINR, क्योंकि GBP में एक तो बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक्स का एक्सपेक्टेशन है कमिंग मार्च, तो इसके लिए एक वो सपोर्टेड रहेगा GBPINR. दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि ये हफ्ता 3 important डेटा इज गोइंग टू बी आउट फ्रॉम यूके, जॉब्स रिपोर्ट, इन्फ्लेशन रिपोर्ट एंड फाइनली द रिटेल सेल्स. अगर ये सब डेटा स्ट्रॉन्ग आया अलॉन्ग विद अ हाई इन्फ्लेशन, तो दैट्स गोइंग टू पुश द GBP मच हायर. सो अगर जब तक 102 के ऊपर है GBP, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ अ मूव टुवर्ड्स 103.20 ऑन द फेब फ्यूचर्स. सो GBPINR पे ध्यान रखना मेक सेंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम dollar rupee. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.